Alright, take two. I was interrupted by a phone call. This is Mr. Eggerse's physical science class. This is just a couple examples for my students. I'm going to do the first example right now for Mod 10. Just the ones that are in the book so I can kind of walk you through them and think about what you need to be thinking when you're solving the problems. So, this first example, 10.1, a man's car, and they give you the mass of 1,500 kilograms, has broken down, and he is pushing it to a gas station. Ignoring friction, with what total force in newtons must the man push in order to make the car accelerate 0.03 meters per second squared to the east? Alright, so let's go ahead and sit down and take a look at what we've got. Alright, so this is a force equals mass times acceleration problem. F equals ma. So the first thing I always do is I write down the values that I know for a problem. Okay, so F equals ma. The variables are F, M, and A. We don't know what F the force is. That's what we're looking for. The mass of the car is 1,500 kilograms. The acceleration that they give us is 0.03 meters per second squared east. So, write the equation down. You make all your substitutions. The mass is 1,500 kilograms. Acceleration is 0.03 meters per second squared. When you multiply those two things together, you get 45 kilograms per meters per second squared, which is equal to 45 newtons east. And that's probably the most basic one that we have so far. Start out basic. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and prepare for the next problem, and I'll see you in a little bit.